Good morning. I'm Peter Melios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 reached a new all-time closing high overnight, extending last week's momentum following the Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cut. The broad market index rose 0.28%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 61.29 points, or 0.15%. The Nasdaq Composite also inched higher by 0.14%. Turning to the US sectors, all closed higher overnight except for technology, communication services and health. Energy was the best performer, closely followed by consumer discretionary. In company-related news, Micron Technology stock rose 2.9% following JP Morgan's reiteration of an overweight rating ahead of its earnings report, anticipated on Wednesday, with analysts forecasting positive results driven by robust demand for artificial intelligence and server products. Tesla shares increased by 4.9% after Barclays maintained an equal weight rating, suggesting that the company's third quarter delivery figures could exceed expectations, providing a potential short-term boost for the stock. Additionally, AeroVironment, a defense contractor, saw its shares surge over 11% after the US Army lifted a stop work order on a $990 million contract, marking the stock's largest gain since August 28, when it had a 9% increase. Overnight, investors digested fresh economic data, including a report showing the US PMI manufacturing activity hit a 15-month low in August. Traders are now keeping a close eye on upcoming economic indicators, particularly weekly jobless claims data due out on Thursday, to assess the strength of the economy and the labour market. In commodity-related news, India's finished steel imports from China hit a 7-year high during the first 5 months of the 2024 to 2025 financial year. India's overall finished steel imports also reached a 6-year high at 3.7 million metric tons in April to August period of this year, and the country was a net importer. The world's second biggest crude steel producer has been consuming the alloy at a faster pace with robust demand from the infrastructure and the automotive sectors. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.1% fall. Thank you for listening.